Alrighty, welcome back to the final video of our case opening. We have the last two boxes. Let's get right into it. I believe we should be able to pull one more collector's rare from this set. But I mean, we could pull two. You never know. It's all odds. But let's get right into it. Starting it off with Armistice. Haven't seen this card in a while. It's a good, I don't even know, maybe $3. I don't know. It all adds up. Live Twin. Drytron Quadrantids? I don't know. Another Live Twin. Beat Cop from the Underworld. Trismegistus. Implication Char Slim? I don't know. Secret Password. Beat Cop from the Underworld. Drytron Fafnir. Oh, collector's rare. Ninaruru Magistus Glass Goddess. I didn't even know this card came in a collector's rare. Awesome. I said I was going to end the video, but I think I'm going to open up both anyways. Let's see what we get. Whoa, look at that. Non-collector's rare. Let's go for that. Another Nova. Wouldn't that be sick? Cyber Emergency. Good old reliable. Oh, nice. Evil Twins. Drytron Quadrants. I like that card. Evil Twin GG Easy. Live Twin Home. Live Twin Keysicle. Down to our last two packs. Implication Char Slime. Crowley. Or any with a Ram. Alrighty, we are here with the final box. Let's get into it. Can we pull one last clutch collector's rare or Drytron Nova? Let's find out. Oh, Transmikitis. Got a little excited. I thought I saw the unicorn and I was like, that's a good collector's rare to end it with. Drytron Thubin. Live Twin. Drytron. Beat Cop from the Underworld. Quadrumids. Oh. Ninaruru. There we go. Collector's Rare. Evil Twin Keysicle. Nice. We pulled it. Awesome. Can we pull a Nova or something else crazy in here? Oh. Awesome. Beat Caught from the Underworld. Wow, that was a really good box. What was that? 4? 4 collector's rares? No, 5. 5 collector's rares. And 2 Drytron Novas. What an insane box. Another back-to-back Cyber Emergencies. Ninaruru. Vram. Alistair. Oh, a lot of sleeves. Another Crowley. Oh, another Live Twin. Fafner. Secret Password. Live Twin Home. And ending it off with nice in Edermis. Alrighty, thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked the video. Got some really good pulls. And same giveaway as last time. Take your pick of Scapegoat, Vampire Red Baron, Mystic Tomato, or Interrupted Kaiju Slumber. All we need is 10 likes. Tell your friends, tell your family, tell anybody you can. Like the video, and then just comment. If you are one of the people that comment, I will choose randomly, and you will be entered to win one of these cards of your choice. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one.